And here we are next day. Red, we red. So it's quite a bit brighter than it was before. It's got nice coppery tones. I haven't been this light in quite a while. I've been doing like dark reds and purples, but I really like it. My bangs are a little mad at me today, so don't mind them trying to do whatever they're doing. Let's move to some natural light. Okay. Yeah, so you could see all the reds and coppers popping out. It's not as orange as it looks in this video. It's more of a coppery red, and then you could see my roots didn't take quite as well as the rest of it, so that might be a touch-up, but I kind of like this layered color darker at the top look, like maybe I did it on purpose. Look at us go. But it's nice even color throughout, especially for being my first try doing it on my own. I like it. We did good, guys. We made it. Little lioness. We hennaed, guys. We did it. Another thing I wanted to mention, she said it will be brighter for the first couple of days after, so it might tone down and darken a little bit. So as it changes, I will add updates.